Hi there, it's Maya. Today I'm gonna show you how to find the right half double crochet stitch for your bra cup. I'm talking about this one and also the one that already have a video tutorial, which is this one, Marilyn Monroe inspired crop top. But this one is a little bit different. As you can already see, the body portion is a little bit like longer, wider, and at the back also, you see at the back is the corset style. And yeah, I wanted to show you today how you can actually use that video before that I just show you to create this top, because obviously it's almost the same, just that this one have a little portion here which is I'm gonna show you close up. So the difference of this top and Marilyn Monroe top is that this top on this part, as you can see here, this is the body portion. The band part is wider. You see, it's longer. And this is made out of 30 chain plus 2. And to create this knit look, you will learn it from the video. Also, I put in the link under this video so you can learn how to do that. And actually, if you go to the top, the Marilyn Monroe inspire, you will learn how to make this part. Just that if you want to make this kind of, this width, this size, just start with 30 chain plus 2. And for this portion here, the legs part, you will get all this info in the written pattern. If you don't want to purchase the written pattern, you can just simply use this band style and just follow the cup part from Marilyn Monroe top. The point of this video, I'm going to show you how to create this bra cup, this portion of the bra cup size to fit you, because many people who have bigger size than mine, also bigger than XL or XXL, wonder how can she calculate this part, and I want to show you how to do that in this video. To do that, you first have to make this band, this body part, as long as go around your torso, but it's not to meet with another ends. I will show you the back part here. As you can see, you will need to have a space maybe about, I would say, 5 inches, because when you do a crisscrossing, it's become even smaller. So keep the space about 5 inches between one end to another end, and make this portion. Then you make a long chain that to do a crisscrossing, just like the little photo over here on the right side. Then you just put it on and make the crisscrossing like that, and try it on to see how they fit. And then you also gonna find the middle part, which is here, where it's on the center of your chest. You're gonna add 1 stitch marker there, and then you're gonna see how many stitch from the center of your chest until this part, which is close to your underarm. In the written pattern, I call this out and this is in. So you will see where it's cover your breast, and then you're gonna add another stitch marker there. Then you take it out your this portion of the band of the body part. You don't have a bra cup yet, so this way you can see how many stitches from there to there, because the work when you put on the flat surface on the ground, it does not stretch out as much as when you wear it on. And so for that, you have to put it on and put the crisscrossing at the back. This way you find out how many stitches from there to there. So here are our testers for this design. I really love to see this piece, this design on different type of body, different bra cup size. And if you don't want to do a calculation for yourself, and if you make for sale, you can get the written pattern so you know the stitches, how many stitches for different sizes. But I encourage you to really do it by yourself, by following the method that I just shared to you now, and I am 1000% sure that you'll be able to make it. Just follow my instruction. And yeah, let me know when you post on Instagram. Make sure to tag me so I can see your work as well. And if you have any questions, just come to our group. I'd be more than happy to help you out. And there are many members that will be there to help you as well. So join us there. Made this top, and yeah, it's super easy, and you can make it for yourself or anyone that you love, or even for sale. But if you want to make it for sale, I would suggest you to get a written pattern. I have written pattern on my Ravelry and Etsy shop, and it's very cheap. I mean, it's affordable. If you are a business owner, you have Etsy shop and all that jazz. I put the link down for you, and also the term and policy, how to use my design to sell when you make it as a finished piece. All right, and also I want to invite you to join us for a gold membership, because a gold membership is a yearly subscription that will get you all of the written pattern from the day you sign up until 365 days to come, which is 1 year, including I'm going to give you a gift of all of my written patterns. So far it's over 300 euro already. And this design, as you can see here, I'm not sure if you can see, the skirt that I'm wearing. So this skirt that you are seeing right now, the one I'm wearing, I'm writing the written pattern at this moment, and I'm sending out to the tester. And if you want to be one of the tester, be part of our testing group, testing team, make sure you join us on our Facebook group. I put the link also under this video for you guys. And if you like this video, just give it a thumb up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Let me know in the comment below if you would like me to walk you through on how to make this beautiful maxi skirt as well. And then I will just put everything in my schedule and do everything to teach you and to support you in this journey of creating beautiful by your own two hands. And if you're already part of our tribe, don't forget to click that little bell next to the subscribe button, because if you don't do that, you will not get a notification when I post a new video. And yeah, as always, I see you next time. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Enjoy your time and happy crocheting. Bye bye.